Today, we take you inside one of the world's most impressive aircraft manufacturing facilities, the Boeing airplane factory.
From raw materials to fully assembled commercial airplanes, every detail is a marvel of engineering.
Every person, every machine, and every movement is coordinated with precision.
It all begins with raw materials carefully selected for strength, durability, and efficiency.
Aluminum, titanium, and composites arrive in precise specifications, ready for transformation. Quality control begins the moment materials enter the factory, ensuring perfection from the start. Automation prepares materials with millimeter-level accuracy, shaping each piece for assembly. Every cut and fold is calculated for aerodynamics and structural integrity.
Organization and meticulous planning ensure that every component is ready for the next stage.
From raw materials to a flying airplane, the journey begins here, blending human skill with advanced robotics.
Fuselage sections are carefully positioned with precision cranes, forming the backbone of the aircraft.
Every section is meticulously inspected for perfect alignment.
Thousands of rivets are installed automatically, ensuring structural strength and safety. Automation provides precision impossible to achieve by hand.
Each aircraft is assembled like a giant three-dimensional puzzle.
Robotic systems ensure every joint withstands the stresses of flight.
Precision measurements guarantee optimal aerodynamics. Robotics and skilled engineers work in perfect harmony to transform materials into an aircraft. Next, the wings are prepared, blending lightweight composites and cutting-edge materials.
Carbon fiber is applied in precise layers for maximum strength and minimal weight.
Heat and pressure cure the wings into rigid, aerodynamic structures.
Every surface is verified for smooth airflow and perfect lift.
Wings are staged meticulously before joining the fuselage.
Wings are attached with millimeter precision to ensure performance and balance.
Automated assembly guarantees structural integrity and safety. Every connection is carefully calibrated to withstand extreme flight conditions.
From raw material to a partially completed airplane, the transformation is extraordinary.
Tail and horizontal stabilizers are installed to ensure perfect control. Precision alignment is critical for safety and aerodynamic efficiency. Hydraulics operate flaps, elevators, and rudders with precision.
Fuel tanks are integrated inside the wings for optimal balance and efficiency.
The aircraft begins to take its iconic shape as major structures are assembled.
Structural tests verify the plane can withstand flight stresses safely.
Internal frameworks prepare the plane for cabin and avionics installation.
All electrical systems are carefully integrated for avionics, lighting, and cabin electronics. Assembly lines operate in parallel, producing multiple airplanes efficiently.
Continuous inspection ensures quality and safety at every step.
With wings and tail installed, The airplane is ready for interior and avionics installation.
Critical systems are carefully prepared for seamless integration.
Next, the cabin and avionics come to life, transforming the aircraft from structure to functional plane. Inside the aircraft, cabin panels are installed, forming the structural foundation for the interior. Overhead bins are secured meticulously to ensure passenger safety. Passenger seats are installed with exact alignment for comfort and space optimization. Every seat undergoes testing to meet stringent aviation safety standards.
Electrical systems for lighting, entertainment, and emergency signaling are carefully integrated. The cockpit is fitted with sophisticated avionics and flight control systems. Each control is calibrated for precision and reliability.
Communication and navigation systems are rigorously tested for perfect operation.
From floor to ceiling, the cabin is fully prepared for passenger comfort.
Entertainment and connectivity systems are tested for flawless performance.
Air conditioning and pressurization systems ensure safety and comfort at high altitudes.
Every detail is aligned to exacting specifications for passenger experience.
All safety systems, including emergency lighting, are fully operational.
Parallel assembly lines ensure speed and consistency while maintaining quality.
Every system is verified to meet strict aviation standards. With the interior complete, the aircraft advances to engine and systems installation. Advanced avionics and sensors are installed for precise flight performance.
Software calibration ensures accurate response to real-world conditions.
The aircraft moves to the final assembly stage, engines and critical systems integration. Heavy-duty cranes position each engine with millimeter precision. Engines are attached with extreme accuracy to withstand intense flight forces.
Hydraulic and fuel systems are integrated seamlessly for safety and performance.
With engines in place, the airplane takes on its fully operational form. Engine performance is verified before flight to ensure reliability.
Protective panels streamline airflow and ensure safety. The aircraft now resembles a plane, ready for final systems testing. Avionics systems are integrated with mechanical components seamlessly.
Every instrument and sensor is verified for accuracy.
Flight simulations test responsiveness of flaps, ailerons, and rudders.
Final system integration ensures the airplane meets Boeing's rigorous standards.
With assembly complete, the airplane enters the final inspection phase. Experts meticulously examine the fuselage for any imperfections.
Every rivet and joint is verified to meet strict safety standards. Advanced laser scanning detects even millimeter-level deviations. Hydraulic and flight control systems are tested for precision.
Landing gear functionality is thoroughly tested for smooth operation.
Brakes are calibrated to withstand high-speed landings safely.
Cockpit instruments undergo detailed verification for accuracy. All safety systems, including emergency exits, are fully operational.
Simultaneous inspections ensure each aircraft meets exacting standards.
Avionics systems are tested for communication, navigation, and flight control accuracy.
Before painting, surfaces are cleaned and polished to perfection.
Primer coatings protect against corrosion and improve paint adhesion.
Advanced painting systems ensure flawless, aerodynamic finishes.
Paint is cured and inspected for evenness and durability.
Every mechanical connection is verified for safety and reliability.
Ground engine tests ensure full thrust capability and smooth operation.
Performance metrics are recorded and compared to exact manufacturer standards. Landing gear and shock absorption are tested under realistic conditions.
All flight systems are synchronized and fully operational.
Final pre-flight inspections ensure absolute safety and readiness.
Safety systems are confirmed functional for both crew and passengers.
Every surface, curve, and panel is inspected to meet aerodynamic standards.
All maintenance, inspection, and system checks are logged for certification. With inspections complete, the aircraft is ready for final approval.
Only after every test is passed does the plane earn its certification.
Experienced pilots verify systems before the first flight.
The plane moves to the runway for its maiden journey.
Every system checked, every detail verified to PNP. It's ready to take to the skies.
The aircraft begins its first takeoff, a moment of precision, power, and engineering excellence.
Liftoff achieved and every system performing flawlessly.
From ground to air, the transformation from factory to flying machine is complete.
Flight control surfaces respond with precision to pilot inputs.
Pilots rely on sophisticated avionics for safe and smooth operation.
Aerodynamics, materials, and engineering work in harmony to ensure stability.
Jet engines provide immense thrust while operating efficiently and safely.
Every detail, from rivets to avionics, contributes to this flawless flight.
Passenger comfort systems are fully operational, even at high altitude.
The plane demonstrates its performance across various flight conditions.
Cabin systems maintain comfort and safety for passengers throughout the flight.
Autopilot systems maintain precise course and altitude.
A marvel of modern engineering soars effortlessly above the Earth.
After landing, rigorous post-flight inspections ensure ongoing safety and reliability.
The aircraft is ready for delivery to its airline customer.
A new aircraft officially enters service, ready to transport passengers around the globe.
From raw materials to the skies, this airplane is a testament to human ingenuity. Every step, every test, every flight showcases decades of innovation and precision engineering. This is the journey of an airplane, from factory floor to boundless skies.
Advanced engines provide the power and reliability that modern aviation demands.
Every passenger enjoys comfort, safety, and innovation on board.
A perfect blend of engineering, aerodynamics, and design elegance.
Sophisticated avionics ensure precision control and a safe flight path.
Every Boeing aircraft is built to perform consistently and safely across all conditions.
Touchdown achieved, a 7, engineered for smooth, safe landings.
Precision braking systems guarantee safety on every landing.
After landing, the plane is ready for passengers, cargo, and the next journey.
From the factory floor to the skies, every Boeing aircraft embodies innovation, craftsmanship, and dedication. Thank you for joining us inside the Boeing Airplane Factory TÜV, where dreams take flight.